Hello everybody, welcome back to another Cabros exclusive. Today I will be showing you how to scratch a vinyl record. Today we will be using one of my favorite records of all time, A Day to Remember's Homesick. We will be using the Eurythmics Touch.
Eurythmics launched Touch on November 14th of 1983, becoming the third studio album by the British pop duo. Today we will be taking a gander on my Suitcase briefcase Musitrend vinyl record player. It has A button and RCA outputs, so you can expect nothing but top-notch quality from this record player.
Alright, as an important reminder, the first step that you're going to want to take into playing your vinyl record is to properly clean it. It's important to remember that vinyl records are very sensitive and it takes very particular techniques to get them to optimal sound quality. Now, once you've got it dried off, I kind of like to give it once, twice, just kind of wipe it on your shirt a little bit. The cotton really helps to get in the grooves, and it makes it better. So, a trick that I've learned in my years when you're using a vinyl record is that you want it to pre-spin before you put it on there, because if you set the record on there and you set the tone arm, you're not going to get the sound quality that you want. You want it to, you want it to spin. For example, almost. Let's try it backhanded. That's as close as it's going to get. Okay, now once you've got the record on there, you want to gently but firmly just kind of, there's a hole that you're supposed to line up. You want to find that nice sweet spot in the middle. You want to, I can't find it. There, see? Look. Yeah, there we go. Where is it? Got it. Okay, and the next step, what you're going to want to do is you're going to actually want to pick up the tone arm and you're going to set it on the record gently. And remember, if you're not generating enough pressure onto the record, you can just grab it and slowly push it down. Oh, the cover's still on. Hold up. Oh. Yeah, so you're going to want to pick it up, get it on the record. That's your first step. So as you can see right here, I have clearly lost the power cord. No idea where it's at. Having the power cord isn't so important because you can just grab it and you can spin it manually. Oh, don't let it fall off. Hold up. Okay, don't let it fall off, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to spin it slowly. You can kind of hear the first track going a little bit. Like, yeah. Can't you hear it? I can. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. But let's say, for example, you're not satisfied with the results. You want to do more with your vinyl music player. It's more than just a music disc.
Put it in the Xbox. Use it as a controller pirouette. Similar to a Lazy Susan, you can serve dishes up to your friends in the most useless way possible. Don't settle for less when rocking out in the middle of a concert. Use it as a pedal board for optimal sound quality. It's music after all. If you're late to Comic-Con, use this as last-minute Captain America cosplay. Put it to the void.